All right, welcome. I am here with Josh to talk about intelligent workspace solutions. Josh, welcome. And my first question is, when you think of intelligent workspace solutions, who's the first company you think about?
Oh, not for nothing, guys, but I think of EPOS.
All right, well, you heard it here first. Think of EPOS for intelligent workspace solutions. Hey, we're, in front of us, we have an Expand Capture 5, which we hope to do a little demo on. But first, I was going to ask you a few questions about the conference room and really sort of, the future of the conference room, today's conference room, and the idea of intelligence. And, where does EPOS stand with those three things?
Absolutely. So, the conference room is ever so evolving, and, we really learned that lesson during COVID. With this particular device here, the Expand Capture 5, we really wanted to take a unique approach and solve the problem of trying to capture and automate, people speaking in real time. So that way you can actually focus in your meetings rather than try to, take notes and, try to overcommit yourself to too many meetings. This device here will solve the problem of both meeting fatigue and, as I like to call, FOMO. Millennials term it fear of missing out in real time, and we'll talk about that more in a second.
All right, great. Well, I generally don't have a fear of missing meetings. Do you fear missing meetings?
Oh my gosh, as a 30-year-old, I'm constantly just afraid I'm going to be missing a meeting. You never know what can happen.
Well, that's the good part about not being there. You don't know, unless there's, of course, a transcript that lets you know. So tell us about some of the features of the Expand Capture 5 and the intelligence that it adds to the rooms.
Absolutely. So, probably the most notable and cool feature of the Expand Capture 5 is its ability to transcribe up to 10 meeting participants' voices to actual text in real time. So what this gives you the opportunity to do is either, figure out meetings that are the most important to join, or potentially if you show up a little bit late, a little bit early to meetings, it'll give you the opportunity to still come up to speed on what's being said because all these notes will be provided after the meeting. Of course, as companies look to invest in a hybrid, kind of workforce setup, individuals that are phoning in virtually, and then, individuals that are participating in a small meeting room space, the individuals that are talking in the small meeting room space, this device will actually differentiate who's speaking when and combine that in addition to the people that are phoning in remotely. And again, it will provide all those meeting notes at the end so you can keep track of who said what and when. Kind of in addition, it does have, beamforming microphones that will automatically zero in on the pitch of the human voice as compared to, the ruffling of papers and the like, which is another cool feature. And then lastly, we've actually integrated with Cortana to have the Cortana feature automatically spin up meetings, which I preemptively did there, but Cortana, start this meeting.
Great. You can't answer that one, but here's what I can help with.
The fact that she said I don't have a meeting today is lies. I know that.
But music to our ears.
Music to our ears, yes.
All right, and it sounds great, right? It's a speaker for a room. Sounds great.
I was going to say, combining that great technology you'd expect from EPOS sounds fabulous.
Outstanding. So we move on to the quiz portion of the show here. So I do have a quiz for you, and I need to know. I'm looking for you to name off AI features in the conference room.
Oh my goodness, absolutely. So, first, which our Expand Capture 5 has, transcription features. Second, beamforming microphones, automatically zeroing in on the human pitch compared to other, background noises. And then actually the third, which our partner Hudley has in their cameras, but automatic frame zooming to pay attention and zero in on the speaker when they're talking in real time. Just 3 features there for you.
Why, thanks. Well, I'll use all those features then. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. You do.
All right. Thanks, Josh. You heard it here first. Intelligent Workspace Solutions from EPOS.
We'll be back soon. Take care, Ingram.